So in this video we're going to make a pallet bed. So what we did is we ran around the corner to a local store, got a bunch of pallets, and going to set up a new pallet bed in a teenager's room. I ordered a new foam mattress that just got delivered off of Amazon. You can find it in my Amazon store. What I'll do is I'll put a product link to it in the description of the video. So if you want to purchase it, click on the link of the description, the mattress description in the video, and you can shoot over to it, store, and purchase it out of there. So right now, before we get rolling into this, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We got a lot of great content coming out, and if you have a question, leave a comment. We will reply back to you. Let's get rolling. So the first thing you're going to obviously have to do is clear out a spot in the floor of your room. If you have teenagers, you might need a snow shovel. So we did this already, so now let's grab the pallets. Okay, so we laid out the bed, the base for our queen size bed, the pallets. So what we did in the back is they went with four full size pallets in the back, one full size pallet here at the end, then 3 half pallets. So I ended up cutting a couple of the full size pallets in half. So now what I'll do is we'll put our Amazon queen size foam mattress on top of this, and you'll see how it all goes together. So this thing is vacuum sealed. It's gonna, when you open it up, it's gonna expand. So you don't want to open it before you get it into position. And if you're using like a razor blade like I am, you gotta be really careful not to cut the mattress. So I'm just kind of more or less used it to get me started here a little bit. Pack this thing, get it into position. This is how the bed came out once everything was decorated. We put a rug on the bottom step there, and the mattress is fully expanded. It's a 6-inch mattress, and again I'll add it to my Amazon store, and then we put regular bedding on it and stuff like that. It came out pretty good. So hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, leave a comment. We will reply back to you, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.